Wow, look at that, guys. That's nasty.
But it's not that bad. Okay, it's bad. Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to do something totally different. I'm going to be showing you guys my skin. I don't know what the camera is going to give you guys right now, but this is in no way perfect. As you can tell, I'm breaking out like crazy over here. I already picked on some of them, which is probably not a good idea. So today we're going to get to see what my skin really looks like under a microscope, which is probably not a good idea. I have never seen my skin in a more detailed way. So today we're going to do it together, and I have here my microscope, which I got on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description box if you're interested in trying this out as well. Viewer discretion, if you're not going to be able to stomach this, probably not a good idea to watch it, but I would hope you'll be able to go through at least half of this, right? Now, this has not been cleansed in any way. As you can tell, it's really dry. It's morning, it's fall today, so of course the skin is gonna look a little dry. This is before I do my skincare routine, so we're gonna see everything on there. As you can see, this is some kind of pimple or breakout going on, and I don't want to pick this. I'm gonna do it in the next video where I do my skincare routine and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing and all that, but that's the next video, so let's skip all of that. So let's get right into this. Let me set this up and I'll be right back. So I have this on. You can see the LED lights are lit, and we're about to get closer onto the skin. So this is the part I'm showing you guys right now. Let's see what the skin looks like before we get to the problem area. Let's see. So this is my skin at 1,000. Let's zoom in. Ooh, closer and close. Ooh. What is that? Do I have two strands going on? Okay, so this is my skin up close, and like I said, this is the right. This is right on my forehead. I don't know if I'm the only one who goes through this, but this thing keeps cutting off, so you can't really record as long as you want to. And there it goes, stopping again. So this right here is my chin. Oh, do you see that? This is grease, and I haven't even moisturized yet. So my skin is doing its thing. So I definitely have some blackheads going on, which I may have to get out. Let's go around the nose. Okay, so this right here would be ew, do you guys see that? And this is like right between my nose. Oh my gosh. This is nasty. Wow. That's a lot going on right there. Do you guys see that? Interesting stuff. Definitely a lot of scarring going on. That needs to be popped for sure. Got something underneath that hair over there too. Look at that. What is that? Okay, that's enough of the chin. Let's go to the one that is the huge one. Let's go to the huge one. Let's see what that looks like up close, if I can find it. Let's see if we'll find it. It's around here somewhere, because I know for sure I'm around it, but I don't know whether I'm catching it on camera. Hold on, we're gonna see it. It's quite huge. Okay, let's see. Ooh. First of all, look at that.
Oh, do you guys see that white head right there? Oh my god, that needs to go. I don't know if I can get it closer. Let's see. Oh my god, did you guys? I have a lot. Look at that. This, oh, look at that. This part of my face definitely needs some TLC. Wow. Oh, do you guys see that juicy one? It is popping. It needs to come out real quick. Oh, I got a lot of work to do. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I got a lot of white heads, black heads. That needs to, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is interesting. Okay, let's look at the one that needs to really be popped. Where art thou? Oh, 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 finally, guys. Look at that. Let's look at it properly. I want to make sure we're catching this properly. Look at that. It needs to be popped for this view of it. Oh la la. Ew. What is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, can I move on to something else? Is it possible? Ew. So that's the end I'm gonna have to pop it from. And it's all gonna gush out. But anyways, okay, that's done. It is not cute at all. And it's funny, I don't see that standing in front of the camera. I don't get to see all of this. Even standing in front of the mirror, you don't get to see all of this. All of this. I definitely need some extraction. So we're gonna do that in the next video. Wow, look at that, guys. That's nasty.
It's not that bad. Okay, it's bad. So that's basically it. You guys got to see the embarrassment of my life. Yeah, this is not cute. It is not cute, and I'm not even gonna front. It's not cute. Thanks so much for staying tuned. I hope you didn't throw up. If you did, I'm really truly sorry. If you're about to, have fun with that. My apologies in advance. But thank you guys for staying with me. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't shared it already, make sure you do that. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. And thanks for staying with me all through, guys. Thanks for being a family. And I'll see you guys when all this is cleared. Peace. A Moravian professional nail art kit. And this is from Amazon. I will link that in the